Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Driving the Wheels Off. Today, we're going to be replacing the old steps on our 2020 FSX Wildwood with these new solid steps. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do before we get started is to remove this little metal piece here from the threshold so that when we put on the solid step assembly, it sits flush on the threshold. And then for good housekeeping, go ahead and clean the threshold completely. The solid steps will not open properly with the old steps still in place, so I went ahead and removed the old steps. Next, we're going to set the solid steps in place and adjust the legs. This way, it's level when we install it. Now we're going to take our measurements and make sure that our solid steps are perfectly centered. Then we're going to install our first two pieces of hardware on the outside holes of the solid steps. It's time to adjust the latch. You will probably need somebody to help you hold up the steps during this process. Use a socket to loosen the bolts and then extend the arms so that the latch sits properly against your doorway. Last step. With the solid steps in the upright position, go ahead and install the rest of the hardware. I have to admit, this process was a lot easier than I expected it to be, but we could not be happier with the solid steps. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!